Welcome, in front of me is a Alcatel One X, and today I will show you how to put the device into safe mode. So to get started, hold power key, and once you see the boot options, hold power off. And when you hold it for about a second or two, it will pop out with this message automatically, reboot to safe mode. So confirm it by tapping on OK, and simply wait for the device to boot back up. And as you can see, now the device is back on, you can see a message in the bottom left corner, safe mode. So the device is now in the desired mode. And if you wish to leave it, all you need to do now is simply hold the power key, and this time instead of holding the power off, you just want to tap on restart. And reboot, there we go, okay. And once the device is back on, it will be back in the normal mode. And as you can see, now the device is back in the normal mode and everything will be functioning as it was before. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.